Watch your toes. To the raspberry bush.
To the raspberry. My turn, Robin.
Bumpy. Well, let's see how the one we planted is doing first.
There's our own little raspberry. Right in there. Right there. Doing good. Got more leaves on it.
Yeah.
He likes being next to the water.
This is the lower part of the property. Right there's our fence line over there. And then the creek through here is most of our fence line. Raspberries! Maybe a little more than I thought it would be. Hey, there's some fish down there. Oh, there's quite a few good ones on here.
I see some more down here.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Mm.
Yeah. So yummy.
So fresh.
Oh. Well, there's really not that many ripe ones. I thought there would be more.
I see more over there.
Over where?
Right there.
Oh, look, yeah.
Just don't impale yourself on the T-post.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That one might be a little tart.
Still tastes like raspberry. Actually, it's not. It's good.
Okay, I'm going into the bush.
Be brave.
I am so brave. So brave.
You can do it. You can do it.
Collapsing under my weight.
Oh!
There's one good one on here. Right there.
They're so, like, bright.
Yeah.
They're not dark red.
Well, this one's pretty dark.
Look how pretty that is. Hello, beautiful raspberry.
Soon we'll be going and getting the button berries.
Thimbleberries. Kraig likes to call them button berries.
Oh,
There's quite a few down there. Look at all.
What do you think? Should we just eat them or?
Just eat them. There's not enough to make anything with them.
Okay. You hold the bucket.
Okay. You be the adventurer.
Oh yes. So much adventure.
There's thorn. Are they thornless, babe?
No, they got some thorns on them. And I will slowly step down into my impending doom.
Be careful. It's documented. There are quite a few over here, huh? There's one more down there. Yeah.
Oh, that was a little
That's okay.
lackluster. Ooh.
Nice.
There you go. Gosh, maybe we could do a batch of ice cream with these.
It'd be a very little batch.
I'll pick them. Just tell me where they are.
Yeah, I can't grab them very well. It's a nice little bush right there.
Yeah.
They saw the thimbleberries are ripe too. Raspberries galore. It's funny, when there's not very many of them, you pick all the ones that you can. If there were tons of them, however, we would only be picking the best ones and leaving the rest. We're so picky.
Alright, well, why don't you put them in the bucket?
Look at our raspberry harvest.
Raspberries!
Yes.
There's a bunch of brook trout in here. Oh, here he is right there. There's one of them. Oh, he just shot away.
Oh.
Dang it. Gosh, if I could catch a bug, I bet I could get him to snap it up real quick.
Oh, he just got that, baby.
What was it? Dang it. I used to be really good at this.
Now you're just an old man.
Alright, that's a lot of berries.
Yeah.
Not too shabby.
Quite a few.
Maybe one day our little raspberry there will produce as many as those are.
Yeah.
It'll be pretty dang sweet. There you go, love.
Thank you, darling.
Let me help you. We'll just put it right on here.
Catch your toe, mister.
Push it in.
This wheel it's catching.
Up here.
Yeah.
Now if you guys get the dolly now. I have to pull it.
Our neighbor came out with a Kubota. He's pushing down widow makers for us.
That way he has no way of getting that.
I was under the impression we couldn't even use a chainsaw.
No, you can't do it. It's a stick too. So as long as you're going to be around too, you got water right around here.
That's number 3. You can see these root balls right here. There's a little one. Hey, this is wood for our rocking chair, baby.
Yeah, that's perfect for rocking.
Yeah. Number 4. Holy cow. Are there any more?
No, I think he's all done at that.
These are the trees our neighbor just dropped for us.
Yeah.
Think there's any gold down there, babe?
No, they haven't been here long.
Oh, it looks okay. Huh?
Yeah, that ain't hurting nothing.
No.
Yeah, this thing kind of kept it from, on there.
That's our water ditch that runs right under here. So we're just checking it. Make sure it's not blocked up, which looks like it's
get
fine.
out of the water. Come on.
Totally fine. And then these guys didn't even reach the water ditch. Well, thank you, Andy and Lydia. Now we've got, Kraig is gonna make me, I hope, it's gonna make me a rocking chair for our baby for next year.
I'll sure try. I've never made one before, but...
Well, he's gonna try. It'll be a fun project whether it works or not. But now we can use, we were planning on using these trees for that wood, and now here it is. Cut it up and get everything ready.
Well, there's another tree over there I'm gonna use as well.
Nice, so he just basically took out all these dead ones that were left standing after the storm, which is good. Pushed them over so we don't have stumps in the ground. I'll just fill in those holes. We'll be good to go. Yay!
Fantastic.
That was a big help.
Yeah. Yeah, it's I mean, I have plenty of faith in my filling ability, but at the same time, when you have a for sure thing, somebody can push it with a giant piece of equipment.
And you're not left with a stump.
Yeah, definitely not gonna, you know, get stuck up in the tree or anything like that. Makes life a lot easier.
Well, there they are. Ready to be cut up.
Yeah, that Widowmaker was making me a little nervous.
Well, we got it taken care of. Thanks to good neighbors.
Heck yeah.
We took this tree out because it was dead and it was leaning towards the guest cabin. So we took this guy out and it just had a really pretty pattern. The rest of it is here. We're just kind of letting it season.
Yeah, we're gonna make a big Willoughby sign out of this, and it'll be at our entryway.
Yeah.
I'm gonna route that out.
But it just had like dark patches of wood in there, and like the pattern of the rings was just really cool. And then it's not like perfectly round, it's got character around the edges, so we liked
all
that.
these little pockets that, you know, were in it kind of made an interesting shape on the small cut that I took out of it. You know, I cut it about that thin for the top of the table and about that thick for the bottom, so it would be really bottom heavy so it wouldn't topple. But I don't know, I just thought I kind of came up with this look in my head. I think it came out pretty good. It's gonna be a little dark in here, but turn the light on.
It might be okay.
There we go.
This is a little table he made.
Yeah.
So this is the bottom chunk. See all that dark wood? He stained it really well, but that's just like the natural color.
That's all the same color stain. And then this was the shape that was
smooth that all out
on there, and
isn't that beautiful?
I sure liked it.
So let's go look at your ladder.
Well, there's also my portrait. Don't be jealous of my portrait, Brittany.
Oh my goodness.
That
you spent too much money on that, darling.
Well, first of all, hold on, let me tell the story. Come on. So, the giant ridiculous portrait of me.
Ooh, wait, hold on, I'm getting your bow in there. Okay.
The giant ridiculous portrait of me happened because I was at a charity golf tournament with a silent auction at the end. And there was 2 minutes left in the auction, and a gift certificate to this really high-end self-portrait company for $5,000 was one of the things up to bid. The opening bid on it was $150. And nobody had bid on it. So I'm looking at him like, 200. I walked away from it, and sure enough, I got it. So I got all duded up with my hippopotamus skin boots, my my tailored suit. I had that one made for me back in the day, and then my my nice cowboy hat, which has been given to my nephew. And
oh, that's the hat?
Yeah, and he now wears that all the time, wears it everywhere he goes. He's adorable. That's how that portrait came to be.
That's the story of Kraig's portrait.
Absolutely. This is the ladder that I made. Brittany did help. I needed her to hold things straight for me sometimes, and, you know, make sure everything was looking good. I probably said about 1,000,000 times, "This looks straight to you. Does this look straight to you?
It looks beautiful, baby. And he like...
I had the idea for the leather strapping. I thought that would look kind of neat and decorative. But this thing, solid as a rock.
That's my baby.
Oh yeah. Basically, kind of unwinding for the day. We were just finishing up dinner when our neighbors came to come and help us out with this. We asked them if they'd give us a hand. They said, that's totally fine. We'd love to help you out, but there's no way we're going to do it in the heat of the day. So we'll be back.
Like, okay,
yeah,
sweet.
perfect. We don't want to do it right then either. So they came out, you know, what'd you say, about 8 o'clock?
Mm-hmm.
But you know, it doesn't get dark here until 10, so plenty of light left for him to help us with that and then push some trees for us.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think we had a pretty good day today.
Sure did.
I think we'll do better tomorrow.
Mwah.
Night, everybody.